How many is the question we use to ask about the quantity of countable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count one by one, like books, apples, or chairs. Use how many when you want to know the exact number of these items. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. In singular form, we use a or and before them, like a book or an apple. In plural form, they become books and apples. How many questions always use the plural form of countable nouns? For countable nouns in plural form, we ask how many books. For uncountable nouns, we ask how much water. The key difference is countable nouns can be counted individually, while uncountable nouns cannot. How many goes with plurals, how much goes with singular uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns like bread, rice, water, milk, money, advice, furniture, and information cannot be counted as separate units. We cannot say 2 breads or 3 rices. These always take how much questions, never how many. How many books do you have asks about the number of individual books. How many apples are there on the table asks about the number of separate apples. Always use how many with plural countable nouns to get a number answer. How many goes with plural countable nouns like books, apples, chairs. How much goes with singular uncountable nouns like water, rice, bread. If you can count the items one by one, use how many with the plural form. How many students are in the classroom asks about the number of individual students. How many cars are in the parking lot asks about separate cars. How many pages does this book have asks about individual pages in the book. Here is the simple rule. If you can count it one by one, use how many with the plural noun. If you cannot count individual pieces, use how much with the singular noun. This works every time for all countable and uncountable nouns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.